Hi, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to show you how to edit green screen videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. The biggest benefit of using a green screen are that it saves time, saves money, and there's endless creativity. So let me show you how you can do that. Also check out the video description. I will leave step-by-step instructions there as well. Let's get started. As you can see, I have these two videos here. I'll be using this video as a green screen, and this video will be shown on the green screen. So I'm going to select this one and put it on the timeline. I will put this video on the video 2 frame, and I will put this one at the back. I'm not going to use the full video. I will just use the part of that. As I've already marked in that part, I will just drag and drop here. So there's the video. To remove the green screen, first select the video from which you want to delete the green screen and go to the effects. If you don't have this panel, you can go to Windows and select this panel. So I'm going to search here color key. I'll be using this one. I will drag and put on this video. Now go to the effect control, and here you can see there's an option for color key. Now I'll be using this eyedropper tool to select green color, but there's a little problem we got. There's a green on the edge. To remove that, we'll use this option, edge thin, and we will increase the value. There you go. Now the edge is clear. We'll use the edge feather just to make it more realistic. So there you go. Now you can adjust the video that is put behind of that. In this case, I'm using the gameplay video. I'll reposition that to the scale. Now you can play the video. There you go. That was the easiest way I know how to edit green screen on your Adobe Premiere Pro. If you know any other way, do let us know in the comment section below. Also like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching.